Andrew Bowman with Bowman's Pro Turf here. Wanted to talk about the importance of a winterizer lawn application. So we are in the middle of January, almost February, and yeah, it's a little late to be putting on a winterizer lawn application. So I think what I probably should have said is talk about the effects of a winterizer lawn application. If you're out and about driving around and you have your lawn treated and you had a winterizer lawn application, I can guarantee you that if it was done properly, you're going to notice that your lawn probably sticks out among maybe your neighbor's lawns who don't have lawn care treatments. The reason for that is the turf kind of holds up a little bit better. You know, a couple weeks ago around Christmas time, it was fairly warm, right? It was almost in the 50s on Christmas Day. So your turf kind of gets a little confused, right? It thought it was going into the winter months, starting to store that energy. All of a sudden, it started to get warm for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and maybe it started to decide to grow out of that a little bit. And then now, obviously, it's cold again, back down in the 30s, but then at the end of this week, it's going to be back up in the 50s again. So that winterizer lawn application really has helped to sustain your turf grass through the winter months, but also it's going to give it a little bit of boost coming into springtime now that it has those nutrients there ready for it to uptake into its system and really kick itself out of dormancy. So as we head on to the next couple of weeks here, look around in your neighborhood. If you have a lawn treatment and you had a winterizer lawn application, and maybe you know somebody who hasn't had lawn applications, you should definitely be able to see the difference between those folks who get lawn applications and those folks who maybe don't get a lawn application or they skip their winter application. It's a really important application. It helps with the overall turf health throughout the year, and it really starts to stand out moving into the springtime. You'll see your turf grass green up a lot sooner maybe than your neighbors if you have a cool season grass here, and you can really see that difference coming in the next couple of weeks. That's something I was thinking about that I wanted to share with everybody. If you have any questions, comment below, send us an email, give us a phone call, whatever works best for you. We'd love to hear from you. We love getting feedback. Make sure you subscribe and share our videos if you find them helpful or entertaining, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.